Coming to you from the office of Dr. Stephen Marsh here at the corner of Cedar and Brainerd in Lyndhurst. Doctor, why do you think people wait so long to come and see a person like you, a dentist?
Well, so we always know that in the old days we associate with pain. Sometimes it's finances. Sometimes people are sort of ashamed of the way they look, and so they don't want to bring that up to us. But in any case, we're glad to see everybody, and there's no need to have any of those feelings anymore.
You certainly have a lot of experience from having people come into this very office. This is the first step when they do come and see you. Why is that so important?
Because I want to meet them as a person. There's usually a story behind why they're in the shape they are, and I want to know what's important to them. That's key to moving forward.
Or maybe why they waited so long to see the dentist.
And that's also a part of their story, and I think it's important for us to understand that as we move forward.
How many years of experience do you have, Doctor?
42, 3 in the United States Air Force and 39 on my own.
Well, thank you for your service, and thank you for putting so many smiles on people's faces. Let's take a look at some of the smiles that you've created. Who are we looking at first here?
So the first one is actually Joe, a friend and patient of ours. We often went out to eat with her, and she always said, you know, my teeth aren't bad, but I've always wanted that bright, beautiful smile. So what we did was, Joe, with minimal preparation, we put porcelain veneers on and gave her that look that's pretty outstanding, and gave her what we call a smile line.
It just goes to show you that a little bit can go a long way.
Right, and she wasn't afraid. It was just making that step, actually.
Right. Okay, now what about this individual?
This is a pretty dramatic one. She had tetracycline stains when she was a young girl, very unhappy with her smile, came from an educated family but wanted to give herself a beautiful white smile, and that's hers.
A difference.
And the last one, here's a guy who was actually in his late 70s, wanted to have his teeth again. We used implants and crowns to rebuild that smile.
Well, if you've got a smile that's waiting to happen, this man can put it on your face. Dr. Stephen Marsh, give him a call at 440-461-1003, clevelandsmiles.com.
NASCAR